Level up your Fortnite game without breaking the bank. Alright, listen up gamers. I'm going to show you exactly how to snag those sweet bucks using your Cash App, making those sweet victory royals even sweeter. First things first, ensure you've got the Cash App installed and enough funds loaded up. Obviously, you'll need the Fortnite game installed too, whichever platform you're rocking. Now, in the Cash App, you might not directly buy bucks. Instead, you'll purchase a gift card for the relevant store for your platform like PlayStation Store, Xbox Store, or the Nintendo Shop. To do this, check the Discover tab in Cash App. From there, you can look for gift card options. Once in the online gaming marketplace, select the amount you wish to purchase, double-check that enough funds are in your Cash App, and click Confirm Purchase. Review the details, hit that Confirm button, and boom, you've got your gift card code. Head over to your platform's store, find the Redeem Code section, and carefully enter the code from your Cash App purchase. Once the gift card funds are added to your account, launch Fortnite, navigate to the Bucks purchase screen, and load up on those skins, battle passes, or whatever your heart desires. That's it. You're now a Bucks Pro using Cash App. Hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming hacks. Good luck out there.